Hello and welcome to another update video about Aptos. Yeah, it's coming down lower. It now hit the support area for the wave 2. So in a bullish wave count, this would now be in a wave 2 support area. And it's reached the area that we highlighted here based on the measurement. I'm actually going to change the color for this because I'm not sure why this was a white support area. Let me just change that. Gonna make that, no. 1 second. So this is the valid wave 2 support area. So the levels haven't changed. I just changed the box style because first of all I want to highlight it's yellow. It's sort of a bit higher risk because of the short chart history, and then it's a wave 2 support area. So with the fibs, we want to have the fibs on the chart. So yeah, it's touched it now, reacted to it already. Nothing convincing yet though. I wouldn't see, at the moment, I don't see any expectation or any reason to expect it's going up. It could be, yeah, but it's a bit like Gala where we have a very short C wave. So in a more likely environment or more likely scenario, you would expect it to go down a little lower. So if we measure the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, we'd be looking at something around $8 or let's say $9, $8.95. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. Very close to the 61.8 retracement at 670. So maybe look at the middle of this support area. And important is it needs to stay above 680 to make it still a likely turnaround here. Yeah. So looking at this, we can also add a trend channel here. Just maybe that will guide us to where the C wave could end. You often can do that in these zigzag patterns, and that would also point to this area depending on how long the move down takes. So yeah, I think we are now in a C wave. Already warned you in the last videos. That's why I took the immediate bullish count of the chart when we were still up here around $13, I think, or yeah, $13. I just dropped below it. No, here this low, yeah. Where I highlighted to you, the risk is getting too high. The probabilities that this will turn around reduced. Why is that? Because we had an imminent bullish count as well. Yeah, there were the two scenarios. Either here, this is some kind of a wave 4 and we're already moving up, and then had here a 1-2 setup, or it's going to come down into the lower support area. But then the warning that you can always use, and in this case it again worked out, is the idea that below, if something drops below the 78.6 retracement, which it did here, these counts 99 or let's 85 to 90% of the time fail, and we can only go with probabilities. So the idea that this was a 1-2 setup, I already highlighted to you here that it's probably not gonna work out, okay? And then it eventually came down much lower. So yeah, I think we're now in the support area. I don't think we need to expect an immediate reversal. It could reverse from here because we reached now the 50% retracement, but then I have no evidence yet. It's not doing anything that would be more, let's call it bullish, than what we did here. Yeah, so but we need to be watching it. Yeah, so and then a break out of the channel support, or not channel support, out of the trend channel, that zigzag channel would indicate further upside. Yeah, that this ABC structure is finished. Again, it's really only reached sort of the minimum it needs to reach here, and let's see if it turns around. We'll probably know more tomorrow or so, but this was the first level of support. As always, scaling in, you know, is a possibility with a small position size here, larger here, stop loss below. That's just one way of doing it. Now you can also wait for the breakout of the trend channel or the breakout above the B wave high, which would be even further confirmation. That's at 1667, but for now the trend is down and we haven't really seen anything too bullish. Only that, the only thing that we see here possibly is obviously that it came to the 50% retracement. Yeah, so that's a possible reaction that we've seen here. And so indicator wise we don't see anything. It's actually made a lower low in line with the price chart, so no bullish divergence. But if we look at the target for the C wave, it reached also here the 61.8 extension. That's for a C wave the very first target. It's not a very common one, it's rather uncommon, but also not super uncommon. So it's the very first valid target for a C wave. So yeah, surely it can turn around here. That's why we had the box on the chart. Let's see if it does. I would at the moment still be in favor of further downside. Yeah, I don't see any reason not to expect at least 969 at the moment. Okay, that's my update about Aptos. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.